welcome to BKW Physics. Today we're going to look at the concept of resistance through a simple series circuit. So what I have already working is I have a power source down here. The electricity is coming up through a switch. The switch goes to the light bulb, through an ammeter, and back to the power supply. So I can turn things on and off with the switch. And I also can monitor how much current in amps is flowing with the ammeter. So right now, since we're on the 500 milliamp scale, I'm reading about 250 milliamps, or 0.25 amps. And I can also, using my voltmeter, check what we're working at, or how much voltage is being used by this particular light bulb, and it's at like 2.75, say. Now, what I'm going to do now, at this point, so we've got 0.25 amps and 2.75 volts. I'm going to swap this out to a different light bulb. Now you notice right away that this light bulb, if you can see it on the camera, this light bulb is not as bright. And when you check the amperage is not nearly as high either. It's only reading 100 milliamps, or 0.1 amps, and let's see what it's using for voltage. Wow, the voltage goes right off the chart. So I switch it to the next voltage setting, and I'm getting somewhere around 3.5 to 4 volts. So the voltage is higher, and the current is lower. Okay? Now let's swap it one more time. Let's put a fan on here. And with the fan running now, we can see that our current has gone up to, I don't know, 325 or 0.325, we'll say. Might be a little rounded, but let's see what this is reading. Try not to hit the blades. Whoa, whoa. Reading nothing because I'm not touching the metal. Try again. We're only at 2.5 volts, about 2.5 volts, and we're at 0.325 amps. So what's happening here, you'll notice, is that we're varying the current, the amps, the I, in the equation it's the I, and we're varying the volts, the potential, the V in the equation. And if you think about the equation is resistance is potential divided by current. So if you start dividing some of those numbers, you will start realizing the different resistances. And these three devices, control elements, these are resistors, and this is a fan. They're each having different resistances, and you could easily calculate doing potential divided by current for each one and compare which one had the highest resistances. So for today, physics.